Primary 2, second term, Computing Studies. Lesson 7, Fun with Tux Paint, page 60 to 72. Learning objectives. In this lesson, you will be able to learn about starting Tux Paint, Paint Tool, Eraser Tool, Lines Tool, Shapes Tool, Text Tool, Magic Tool, Stamp Tool, other controls such as New, Save, Open and Quiet. Starting Tux Paint.
There are many tools in Tux Paint. They are Paint Tool, Lines Tool, Text Tool, Undo button, Eraser button, Open button, Print button, Stamp Tool, Shapes Tool, Magic Tool, Redo button, New button, Save button and Quiet button.
Now I am going to teach you the tools which are used in Tux Paint with the steps. Paint Tool. The paint tool is like a pencil. You can use this tool for freehand drawing. Steps to use paint tool on Tux Paint. Step 1. Click on the paint tool from the toolbar. Step 2. Click on any brush from the selector. Step 3. Click and choose a color from the colors box. Step 4. Move the pointer to the drawing canvas. Keeping the left mouse button pressed, drag the mouse to draw on the drawing canvas. When you finish drawing, release the mouse. Eraser tool. The eraser tool is used to erase any part of the drawing. Steps to use eraser tool on Tux Paint. Step 1. Click on the eraser tool from the toolbar. Step 2. Click and choose a size for the eraser from the selector. Step 3. Move the pointer to the drawing canvas. Keeping the left mouse button pressed, drag the mouse pointer over the part of the picture to be erased. When you finish erasing, release the mouse. Lines tool. The lines tool is used to draw straight lines of various shapes. How to use Lines tool on Tux Paint. Step 1. Click on the Lines tool from the toolbar. Step 2. Click and choose a color from the colors box. Step 3. Click and select the thickness and style of the line from the selector. Step 4. Keeping the left mouse button pressed, move the mouse pointer on the drawing canvas. When you finish drawing, release the mouse. Shapes tool. The Shapes tool is used to draw filled and unfilled shapes. Steps to use Shapes tool on Tux Paint. Step 1. Click on the Shapes tool from the toolbar. Step 2. Click and choose a shape from the selector. Step 3. Click on a color from the colors box. Steps 4. Move the pointer to the drawing canvas, keeping the left mouse button pressed. Stretch the shape out from where you clicked. Step 5. Move around the mouse pointer to rotate the shape. Left click the mouse button again. The shape will be drawn in the selected color. Text tool. The text tool is used to type messages in the drawing canvas. How to use text tool on Tux Paint. Step 1. Click on the text tool. Step 2. Click and choose a letter style from the selector. Step 3. Click and choose a color from the colors box. Step 4. Click on the drawing canvas. A blinking line called the cursor appears. Type your message. Once you finish typing, click on any other tool in the toolbar. Magic tool. The magic tool is a set of many special tools. You can make different effects using this tool. How to use magic tool on Tux Paint. Step 1. Click on the magic tool. Step 2. Click and choose a magic effect tool from the selector. Step 3. Move the pointer to the drawing canvas, keeping the left mouse button pressed. Drag the mouse to draw on the drawing canvas. When you finish drawing, release the mouse. Stamp tool. The stamp tool works like a sticker or rubber stamp. It lets you place different pictures in the drawing. Steps to use stamp tool on Tux Paint. Step 1. Click on the stamp tool from the toolbar. Step 2. Use the arrow buttons to move through the various types of stamps such as animals, plants and people. Click on any stamp from the selector. Step 3. Adjust the size of the stamp with the help of the control given at the bottom of the selector. Step 4. Move the pointer to the drawing canvas at the position where you wish to place the stamp. An outline follows the movement of the mouse. This shows where the stamp will be placed and how big it will be. Click on the drawing canvas to place the selected stamp. Other controls. New. The New button is used to start a new drawing. Steps to use New button in Tux Paint. Step 1. Click on the New button from the toolbar. You will be shown a list of colors or pictures. Step 2. Click on the desired color. This color will be selected as the background color of the picture. Step 3. Click on the Open option. You can now start working on a new picture. Open. The Open button is used to open any picture that you have saved earlier. Steps to use Open button on TuxPaint. Step 1. Click on the Open button. A list of saved pictures will appear. Step 2. Click on the picture to be opened. Step 3. Click on the Open button. The picture will open. Save. The Save button is used to save a picture so that you can open it at a later date. To save your drawing, click on the Save button on the toolbar. Quiet. When you click on the Quiet button, it closes the TuxPaint window. Activity. Fill in the blanks using the words given below. Text, drawing canvas, quiet, lines, stamp. The blank tool is used to draw straight lines. The lines tool is used to draw straight lines. Blank is the place where you can draw and color. Drawing canvas is the place where you can draw and color. The blank tool works like a sticker or rubber stamp. The stamp tool works like a sticker or rubber stamp. You can click on the blank button to close the TuxPaint window. You can click on the Quiet button to close the TuxPaint window. You can use the blank tool to type message in the drawing canvas. You can use the text tool to type message in the drawing canvas. The end. Now we have come to the end of our lesson. Hope you understood the lesson and enjoyed the lesson. Thank you, dear children. Goodbye.